Hi everyone, my name is Jan Gilbert and I am an SEO consultant, and one of the things I often have to do is to go in a client site and clean up the Google Analytics. One of the newest things that I'm seeing right now, I think it's recent, is language spam in a Google Analytics. So in a previous video I went through how to filter out the language spam, and I'll just show you really quick. You go to admin, go to filters, and I've already done it, so here it is. You call it language spam or whatever you want. Custom language settings. You paste this certain code in and it's going to remove all that weirdness of language spam, and then when you hit verify the filter, you'll see what will be filtered out and hit save. But the problem with that is that it's only going to filter out what's going forward in your reporting. So if my filter is active as of yesterday, but it's still showing up. My bad spam here is still showing up in the account here, and since it's a new one, I can tell right away. So how do we get rid of it backwards? Let's say you have a length of time and there was a lot of spam and you want to see what was real and what was not real traffic. So you'll have to basically filter it out of the reporting, because the one that we did with the admin and creating a new filter only filters out going forward. So go to reporting, and then you'll have to go to audience, technology, and network. Okay. Now what we'll need to do is add a segment. All right. Then new segment. All right. Come down to advanced conditions. And here is what we need to set as our filter. I know there's a lot of things here, and don't play around if you don't know what you're doing, so just follow exactly what my instructions are. Audience, technology, network, add a segment, come down to conditions. Now we're specifically only talking about the language spam in this one. So in this section here, the drop down menu, we're just going to write language. Click that. Then in this drop down, we're going to say Matches Regex. Okay, and we're going to put in the same code that we put in to the previous filter, which is this code here. Okay, and you'll see right away on the side panel, it tells me what it's going to remove. So it's going to remove 2 users of 9 sessions, and it's this percentage of what was in my data. Okay, hit save. Whoop, we have to name it language spam reporting. Hit save. All right, so once you save that reporting filter, what you'll need to do is click back on all users and then come back to this list and press the new reporting filter that you've just added, and then hit apply. All right, so now you see our reporting graph here, and again, if you just hit our general reporting, it'll bring you back to the front, and you'll see that it may not be there. So you'll have to hit add segment and do the same thing depending on what screen you're on. Click on your language spam reporting filter, hit apply, and then you will see in orange here is how much of your traffic was that spam, and you'll see a lot more settings in here. It'll show you the percentages per day or however you set your reports. And so that's how you go backwards and look at your previous history to see how much was spam and how much was actual traffic. Again, you'll never get to remove it. It's only going to be removed going forward, but going backwards, you'll have to separate the settings in this manner. So I hope this has helped you, and thank you very much for watching.